Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach aftermarket update for the live Trading Alert call room. Today is Thursday, October 27th, and I'm going to run through what we did. We had a lot of stuff today, a lot of nice trades today, so I'm going to go through them here and let you guys know what we did. We actually had one with an add-on, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. One was a break even. One made a little bit, and the others made really nice. And I'm going to run through them here real quick for you. The first trade we had from left to right, not necessarily in a time order, was in gold. We had a power play. So power play here on the gold. This was at 8:40 Central Standard Time, 1269.4, and that went down went down about 25 ticks, but 20 is our normal area there that we normally would take. We did have for people that were still in. I told everybody that you could do an add-on if you were still in the trade. Do an add-on if you were still in the trade. And that was at 68.5, and that was at 8:57, and that made it on the add-on an extra 15 ticks almost from there. I'm sorry, it went down to 60. Yeah, exactly. 60. Yeah, 20. It made 15 on the add-on, and then it made up to 25 from the original. On the crude, we had a power play, and I told everybody on the power play this was a little bit early. I said we may have to add to this trade, but I really do believe they were going to go higher. And we got as much as we could after till the room closed. But we got in here, we added down here. You can see we're easily able to get out. Our average was 80. Some people just opted to get out 2 or 3 ticks, lose a couple ticks just to make sure they're out of the trade. Some people held it till 80, but we were able to get out at break even for those who wanted to wait. And then we hit it again at 92. And it went up and made our up to 11 ticks, and then we closed the room. But this might come back up here and still hit it up there. This is actually live in the market right now. If this gets up to 50.02, it's probably going to go up. This is live right now. We'll see what happens with that. And that's not something that I would hit again, but just because I'm doing the video here. But in the ES really was our bread and butter today. In the ES, we had essentially a 14-point trade in the ES with an add-on or a new entry. Most people did not add on; they were out because we had the news. Because we played this thing really nice. We got short at 41, 21, 41. That was at 8:33 Central Standard Time, and I told everybody that it was going to come down to this area here, which it did. So that one made about 6 points. We did have the news come in, so for people who didn't want to stay in for that, they got out of the trade. We waited for the next trigger. For those who did stay in, that you could have added here or gotten in as a new entry. When the market when the news came out at 9, after the news came out at 9, let me get you the exact time here, which candle. The 9:09 candle, we got short at 34, and we took that down to 27 area, 27.28, and that was another 7-point trade. So about 13, 14 points from the top. Just a beautiful, beautiful trade. Avoided the news, which happened in here, unless you were in with profits and people just wanted to stay in because you were in a risk-free trade, and then added here. But we really played that one about as perfect as we could. We then got long on an understanding trade at 30.75, went up almost 2 points. That was at 10.09. And then we thought about getting it again here. We did have a trade there. I told everybody there was a trade there, but we were waiting for the crude. Was hoping the crude would have went up a little more before the news or before the room closed. But so I didn't want people to be in two different trades because it was so late in the morning. But here's your crude live in the market here. Okay, live in the market, going up. And I don't know who's still in or what, but probably not. But so we had some beautiful trades, beautiful trades, and we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Until then, guys, have a wonderful day.